not blaming you, but I just really don't want to be here right now. Ignore it? How am I supposed to ignore this giant-ass cockroach that's just chilling in your room?
That was incredible. Haven't you ever just heard a story that makes you so inspired that you just want to rush back home and start writing your own?
You gotta start to mix things up. What do you feel in your bones? Was it the hand thing? I can be a statue. Check it out. This isn't an imaginary circumstance. This is real.
What? What are you doing?
This last year has felt like matches tossed in gasoline. But through the lens of time with you, it's been happy and serene. The one thing we don't talk about is what gets me through the day. All I need is what you know and what we never say. I love you and I will always love you.